Expanding your PS4 storage is essential for any avid gamer. Games, updates, and downloadable content consume space quickly. Therefore, having the right external hard drive is crucial. This will keep your game library well managed and accessible. When buying a PS4 external hard drive, the below features are worth considering. Factors to consider: 1. Storage capacity. 2. Transfer speeds. 3. USB interface compatibility. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 PS4 external hard drives currently available on the market. If you're interested in learning more about the products we mention, be sure to check out the links in the description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Western Digital PS4 External Hard Drive. The Western Digital PS4 External Hard Drive is a great storage upgrade for PS4 gamers, offering expansive storage capacity of up to 4 TB in a compact, lightweight design. The device is ready to use out of the box, requiring only a quick connection through USB, and it's designed for seamless compatibility with PS4 consoles, making it user-friendly and straightforward. With its high transfer speeds, the drive reduces game load times and allows for smooth access to an extensive game library. Western Digital's hardware reliability ensures long-term durability, and its compact size makes it portable for gaming on the go. The hard drive also has a sleek, matte black exterior that matches the PS4 aesthetic. A major highlight is the efficient, quiet performance it delivers during gameplay and file transfers. Overall, the WD-PS4 external drive is a convenient solution for gamers who need extra space without compromising on speed, offering excellent value and robust storage for any PS4 gaming enthusiast. At number 2, Toshiba PS4 External Hard Drive. The Toshiba PS4 External Hard Drive features a sleek matte finish that resists smudges and fingerprints, adding style to any gaming setup. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry. With up to 4 TB of storage, it provides plenty of space for games and media files. The drive is compatible with USB 3.0 and USB 2.0, offering quick plug-and-play functionality without needing an external AC power source. This simplifies its use across different gaming and computing platforms. While it excels in portability and ease of use, the Toshiba drive could benefit from faster data transfer speeds. Still, for gamers who want a stylish, reliable, and spacious hard drive, this is an excellent choice. At number 3, Max One PS4 External Hard Drive. The Max One PS4 External Hard Drive offers solid performance and an ultra-slim metal design. This drive is both functional and stylish. It has a cooling system that ensures stable and fast performance, which is essential for gaming on PS4 and Xbox One. The aluminum anti-scratch enclosure enhances durability and keeps the drive cool during extended gaming sessions. With USB 3.0 technology, the Max One drive supports transfer speeds up to 5 gigabits per second, reducing file transfer time significantly. It is formatted as exFAT, ready to use with Windows and Mac without reformatting. The main limitation is its capacity, which is up to 2 TB. This is lower than some competitors and may concern users with extensive game libraries. Despite this, its portability and design make it an excellent choice for gamers who value style and speed. Now number 4, Union Sign PS4 External Hard Drive. The Union Sign PS4 External Hard Drive is a double anti-interference feature that ensures stable, fast data transfers. It offers up to 1 TB of storage, perfect for a good collection of games and data. Its upgraded cable with an aluminum anti-interference layer ensures stable and fast data transfers without interference. The drive is ultra-thin and quiet, fitting easily into a pocket or gaming bag. It uses USB 3.0 connectivity for fast data transfers, improving file access and backup times. The double anti-interference feature ensures consistent performance. However, the 1 TB capacity might be too small for users with large digital libraries. Despite this, its reliability and data protection features make it a good choice for those who value stability and data integrity in their gaming accessories. Now our last product is Evolution PS4 External Hard Drive. The Evolution PS4 External Hard Drive is an affordable storage solution. It offers 1 TB of storage, enough for a good-sized game library without frequent management. The drive is ready to use right out of the box with its plug-and-play functionality, Pre-formatted for the PS4. Its slim, lightweight design makes it ideal for gamers on the go, fitting easily into any gaming setup. With USB 3.0 connectivity, files transfer quickly and gameplay stays smooth. It's also compatible with USB 2.0, allowing use with older hardware. While the 1TB capacity may be limiting for gamers with large digital collections, its reliability and ease of use make it a great choice for most gamers. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.